All right, guys, so we're gonna turn this into this, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do. All right, so just make sure it's nice and straight as far as where it lines up along the bottom, or however you want to line it up. Looks straight. Anchor it with some tape here, and another one over here just to hold it in place. Let's see if I can set you right there. Okay. See if I can prop you up on this stool here. So what I'm gonna do now is peel back this first part and actually install it. And then once this is stuck, then I'll pull back the second part and install that part using handy dandy squeegee. Knife. Cool, so now we got it stuck on there. That was easy, right? So we're gonna take the knife now and cut around the edges, and it's done. Just make sure you don't dig your knife in there too deep, obviously, or scratch the paint. So for all you people in the comments, they're gonna say something about that.